Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am SUMEIRA SUFIYA. Today I created this look which is absolutely wearable for this Eid. I am a Muslim and I love celebrating Eid. There's so much celebrations, which by the way I mean eating and definitely meeting families, friends, relatives. They come to your house, you go to theirs, and there's so much of eating involved. It's just a nice get together after the holy month of Ramadan. Also, I'll be telling you how to wear a hijab with this makeup look and how to accentuate your features while you wear a hijab. If you want to know how I create this look for this Eid, then keep on watching. I'll start with priming my face with Urban Decay's D-Slick Complexion Primer, mostly in the T-zone. Then go in with my Wet n Wild foundation on Morphe brush and then blend it. Concealer, I'm going to be using Tarte Shape tape under my eyes and on high points of the face and blend it with my Morphe sponge. But first, I'll wet it with my continuous wetting spray from Morphe. Then I'm going to be contouring, and clearly I didn't sharpen my contour stick, which is from Smashbox. I'm going to just draw these lines on my face, just trying to put a shadow where I need to, and then blend it again with the same sponge. And this blends really nicely. If at all you haven't tried the Smashbox contouring sticks, I highly recommend you to try it. I'll set my face with Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, do my brows, and then dip into this shade and place it in the crease. I'll place the burnt orange on the crease, just where I put the last shade on, and blend it. Then take Cypress Umber and place it in the corner of the eyes, and again blend it. With a big fluffy brush, I'll take this orange shade and place it over the crease for a nice gradation. And then with a big fluffy blending brush, I'll blend this all over. I will take this beautiful shade from the same palette. And then to tie the look, I will use the burnt orange and a little bit of highlight in the inner corners, under the brows, and this shade under the lower lash line, and also the same color to again tie the look. For my waterline, I will be using Fine Wine by Marc Jacobs and place it, and a little bit of Cypress Umber and tight line on an angled brush. For my mascara, I will be using Marc Jacobs by Velvet Noir, highlighting by Wet n Wild in Precious Petals. For blush, I'll use Orgasm by NARS. And then with a big fluffy brush by Morphe, I will just blend everything together. To set my face, I will use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and then fan it out. And then I'll put mascara on my lower lash line. Lower lashes. For lips, I'm going to be using one by Morphe and then the other by NYX, and I'm going to mix them for a nice ombre look. So I roughly wore my hijab, and this is how it is going to look on a woman who wears hijab. And one thing to really keep in mind is when you wear a hijab, you always make sure when you're doing your makeup to have really nice contoured cheeks with a nice tint of blush. It looks perfect. Your eyebrows, make it as precise and nice as possible, but not those block eyebrows. And also highlight on the high points of the face. You absolutely want to highlight under your brow and in this pocket right here, and that inner corner highlight with all the highlighting features just like you would normally highlight. So these are the two options of hijab that this makeup looks beautiful on both the colors. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial with me and hopefully recreate this look this Eid, because for sure I'm going to do that. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with everyone you know, every woman who wears hijab, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video.